Yeah. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Na 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 na. Yeah.
Love, it underlies humanity.
Love, your responsibility for eternity. You got it flowing deep down in your soul.
Touch somebody and give them a hope. There's a reason why you're where you are.
Step up, step up, step up.
A driving force that can never be stopped.
Left and right keeps you on the road.
Let's celebrate life together as one. In love, join our hands as one.
Join our hands as one. In love, in love, in love. Join our hands as one.
Shoo up, shoo, shoo, shoo up, shoo, shoo, we need to realize you cannot do it by yourself. It's never too much when we join together as one. Celebrate, celebrate, yeah, celebrate real love. Hand in hand, side by side, we celebrate life together as one. Join our hands as one. Together as one. In love,
When I have love, I can feel love. Love ain't love until you give it away. When you are down and you find love, you feel good. And everybody in the hood, they will feel good. Love is kind and love is patient. Ask somebody and show them we're family. Real love, true love, it's all about your heart. Hate about you, just gotta give it out. What kind of love do you have today? It doesn't really matter either way, you should just hug somebody. Hey, love somebody.
Love somebody.
Give them all the love you can, they get it in the way they should. Cause love is real, I feel it from the inside. Love somebody, make it love somebody. That way we spread love, infecting everyone like it's contagious.
Love you have, no one has.